Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning how to make a flying machine out of tape, paper, and 4 straws. Our materials include tape, 2 pieces of construction paper, this one is about 1 foot long, this one is about 6 inches long, and 4 plastic straws that have been trimmed to about 6 inches themselves. First, we'll arrange our plastic straws on the longer strip of construction paper. Gonna alternate the colors because that's my style. And this last one right here on the end. Make sure you can see that in the frame. And we'll straighten these all out. They will stop rolling. Now you wanna make sure they're pretty equally distant from one another. So a few inches in between each one. And I have prepared some strips of tape, so I'm gonna go ahead and tape them onto the paper. Just that one. My little wonky strip here. That one I'll put right about there. That'll hold it okay. And 2 more to go. And our last one. So now that our straws are attached to our bottom ring of our flying machine, I'm going to fold it over using the ends that are a little bit out from the last straws. And we'll tape them together so that it looks like a circle. Just want to be sure to get it on there straight. And voila. For our next section, we're going to use our shorter strip of construction paper to make the upper ring on our flying machine. First things first, I'm going to make this into a circle. And then I'm going to secure that together with some tape. It's a little bit in the reverse order of how we did the other circle. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit to this side. Hold it over just like that. Now, with this circle, the straws are taped to the inside. With this one, as you can see in our example, they're gonna go on the outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with just 1 straw and tape it to that. So by holding them together like that, you can apply the tape. And I like to do it, the first one on the seam where I taped that circle together just for a little extra reinforcement. I'm gonna go and do the next one. So we pull it over. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but just so that the straw is meeting that upper, smaller construction paper circle. Oops. If I could unstick my tape here. All right. Straw first. And join together. And straw first. You can see my tape is kind of wonky, but it's gonna get the job done. And straw first. As you can see, it's not going to remain a perfect circle. Here's our example. They kind of got a little wonky, but we now have 2 finished flying machines. All that's left to do now is throw.